Hi friends, continuing from where we left, we can now study the story of machine learning in this video. From the time of traditional artificial intelligence, our AI story moved to a next level called as machine learning. In this next generation, machine started making its own judgment, not only from the data so gathered, but also making individual judgments based on the data received specifically internally or from the third-party sources. This second level of maturity of artificial intelligence is called as machine learning, and it's similar to moving from a childhood where parent gives training to the child and then children start making their own opinions based on the inputs. Essentially, a boy or a girl grown up as adult can now define what's good, bad and ugly state of life. In essence, he or she makes an independent opinion from the given data. And similar to this, machine can think on its own beyond the inputs given in the second maturity level called as machine learning. So now machine can think on its own. For example, in an airport, when security is done by the human agents, each item is checked by security agents. However, if this is replaced by machine learning, the auto scanning devices replaces the need to check the entire baggage, and the machine learning may find patterns of drug peddlers after studying millions of passengers and can derive an algorithm. Therefore, machines learning may ask for a special screening of the passenger. But how could machine generate the pattern of finding the culprits using the algorithm? Well, this algorithm could trace the suspicious targets based on the results from specific gender, age group, travel sector or a segment, and specific style of walking. And in most cases, the accuracy from machine learning is mind-boggling. Well, that's the explanation the way machine learning functions. Friends, next stage in the technology progress of AI/ML was deep learning. And we shall continue the story of deep learning in the next video.